In this question, they have asked all statements given with respect to sickle cell anemia. Now, sickle cell anemia, we know, is a autosomal recessive disorder. It is an autosomal recessive disorder. Okay. Okay. So we have to tell are correct, except, so there is one option that is wrong. So let's figure out which option is that. Now, having a look at the first option is normal hemoglobin A gene gets converted into sickle hemoglobin HbS gene. Yes, this is what happens, right? The normal gene gets converted into the, so there is a normal, RBC forming gene. After that, we'll see if this, takes place, the autosomal recessive disorder, then the RBCs become sickle shaped like this, okay? Second option, the messenger RNA codon GUG changes to GAG. Does that happen? It's clearly written in NCERT also. We have seen that actually the GAG gets mutated to forms GUG. It is vice versa of the option. So this option is incorrect. Okay, so this option is incorrect. Now talking about the third option, glutamic acid substitute by valine. Absolutely. Here, this is what happens. GAG codes for the glutamic acid, GUG codes for valine. So glutamic acid is substituted by the valine. Mutant hemoglobin, so this option is also correct. Okay, mutant hemoglobin molecule undergoes polymerization under low oxygen tension. So this is what happens, right? Now the sickle cell, now your RBCs have become this shape. So this is here, it has a mutant hemoglobin molecule. It has a mutant hemoglobin molecule. And now also because of the shape, this mutant hemoglobin molecule cannot carry oxygen like it used to carry before. So it can carry very low oxygen. Therefore, we say that mutant hemoglobin molecule undergo polymerization under low oxygen tension. So this option is also correct, but we had to figure out which was the, all options are correct, but we had to figure out which one is the incorrect option. And we figured out that second option is the incorrect option. So the second option is going to be the correct option, correct answer for this question.